What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just realizing how gray my hair looks right now. Man, I'm getting old. Getting old, guys. Got my Hulk, Incredible Hulk colors on. Anyway, so today's video, I'm going to be replacing my active exhaust spring once again. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I replaced the spring once before in the active exhaust with the Torcon aftermarket spring, and that lasted for a while, but it started rattling again on cold starts. So I came across a post on the Elantra N subreddit, and someone said that Hyundai actually upgraded their OEM spring and made it more heavy duty. So that is what I bought. This is the number there, so you can see here's what the spring looks like there. And I'm gonna give it a shot. Why not? It was cheap. I think it was like maybe like $15 shipped. It was maybe a little bit more, I don't know, maybe 20 bucks, but cheap enough. The Torcon one I think retails for like 50, so it's a lot cheaper than that. So this is going to just be like a short-term review, obviously, because I can't wait a year to post this for you guys. But I'm hoping that this one lasts a little bit longer, and like I said, it was cheap enough. If it lasts a year, then I'll just get this one again, but hopefully it lasts for longer than that. We'll see. But let me get this put in, and then I'm gonna give it at least a couple days, and then I'll give you guys my thoughts. Hopefully the rattle goes away, and then I'll let you know if I recommend it or not. Before I put it in, I will show you, here is the Torcon spring installed. That's what that one looks like. Let me hold this one up next to it so you can see the difference. That's the difference. Can you see it has maybe a different curly Q there? I don't know. Looks a little bit different, maybe an extra bend, but yeah, you just pull this one out. It comes out really easily, and then you just pop this one on. That's what it looks like when it's installed. So make sure it's centered on there. It's kind of hard to tell with this one because it's got that extra little twist there, but that's what it's going to look like when you got it pushed on there. Let me get this pushed back on there, and then I'll give you my impression. Alright, it's been a couple days since I installed the spring into the active exhaust valve, and everything is good. No more rattle, which is great. So as of a couple days, I recommend this upgraded OEM Hyundai spring, but of course, you know, time will tell how long it lasts, but it's a much cheaper option than any aftermarket spring, so I highly recommend doing this. If you have the rattle with the original spring that came in your active exhaust, give this one a try. So if you guys have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments. Till the next video, peace out.